Hi, I'm Andrew, and I'm standing next to the 2014 Subaru Impreza. Designed with stylish in mind, the Impreza features an assertive front end with a sculpted hood. An embossed beltline gives it an overall robust appearance. An additional available rear spoiler even enhances the Subaru's sporty appeal. The available leather-trimmed upholstery, including the steering wheel and shifter handle, contribute to that upscale feel. The optional tinted moonroof lets the sun in the day and the stars at night. If it's the cargo room you're after, the Impreza boasts over 50 cubic feet of cargo space. Add the heated seats and you have quite the cozy interior. The available GPS navigation system not only helps you find your way, it also has the ability to convert speech to text messages, helping you focus on the road ahead. The standard Bluetooth option gives you the ability for hands-free calling and even wireless music streaming. And an optional rear vision camera even assists in those tricky parking situations. The Impreza is powered by the world-renowned Boxer engine, balancing power with efficiency extremely well. Subaru's one-of-a-kind symmetrical all-wheel drive system was designed for excellent control and swift reaction to those challenging road conditions that arise. Combine this with the four-wheel, fully independent suspension, and the Impreza becomes a very impressive driving machine. The ring-shaped reinforcement frame is designed to shield and protect in a collision. The Impreza also provides 7 strategically placed airbags, including a driver's knee airbag. Its brake force distribution and its brake assist help the driver have full control in those unpredictable driving situations. The Impreza really stands alone in the compact car segment. So come down and see us and check out the 2014 Subaru Impreza.